Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture video. In this lecture video, going to discuss about the thrashing, how the thrashing working in the operating system. In the thrashing plays important role in the paging concept in the memory management, virtual memory. In the unit 3, we are having discussing the thrashing. So what is thrashing? Before talking about the thrashing, if your process does not have enough pages, the page fault rate is very high. This leads to CPU utilization will be very low, and operating system thinks that is need to increase the degree of multi-programming must be improved for this kind of enough pages does not have enough pages, the page fault rate is very high. At this case, this leads to this kind of multi-programming need to improve. So another process add to the system. Thrashing is a nothing but is a process is busy swapping pages in and out. So that is a thrashing. Thrashing is busy swapping pages in and out. Thrashing is nothing but why does paging works? Locality model, we have the process migrates from one locality to another things. So degree of multi-programming and CPU utilization. So degree of multi-programming having the thrashing here. CPU utilization. Why does paging works? Here why does thrashing occurs? Size of thing. And then followed with the working set model. Working set window equal to fixed number of page references. Example 10,000 instructions. So here too small will not encompass entire locality. So too large will encompass several localities. So will encompasses entire program. So working set model we have the some problem here. So working set models in this we have the page reference model followed with 261 and other values here. So WST equal to 12567, WST equal to 3, 4. So working set model here. So keep track of the working set, approximate with the interval time plus a reference bit. Example equal to 10,000 things time interrupts after every 55,000 times units. So why so it is not completely accurate? So we have to improvement equal to 10 bits and improvement every equal to 1000 time units. So keep tracking of the working set. We have to call it we have to track the entire working set in the process. So we have from this we can interrupt times of every 5000 time units we have to in the memory of 2 bits of each page. So this helping the for the working set tracking. So page fault frequency schemes will be available here. So establish acceptable page fault rate. There will be a number of frames and a page fault rate and other etc. So increase number of frames, upper bound, lower bound, decrease the number of frames. So establish acceptable page fault rate here. If actual rate too low, process loses frame. If actual too high, the process gains frame. Other considerations is preparing and the page size selection is fragmentation, table size and input output overhead and locality. So these helps major things in the other consideration of paging. And also TLB reach is nothing but the idle working set of each process stored in the TLB. Otherwise, this is a high degree of page faults will be occurs. So then next thing is the increasing size of TLB and other process. So reasons are for why frame used for input output must be in the memory. So in the example we have the magnetic tape drive, it will be connected to the buffer. So the data stored in the magnetic tape drive will be converted to the buffers things. So that will be a this are some reasons why frame used for input output. It will be must be in the memory. So frame should be used for input and output process. We are getting the input and output from the users. It will be must be in the memory. So that will be a reasons why the frames will be using here. Then the operating system examples are Windows NT and Solaris. There are plenty of examples in the operating system. We have familiar is Windows NT. Uses demand paging with clustering. Clustering brings a page surrounding the faulting paging. Processor asking working set minimum and working set maximum. So working set minimum is the thing. We have the minimum number of pages and process is guaranteed and process may be assigned as many pages up to this working set maximum. So when the amount of free memory in the system falls below threshold, it automatically working set trimming is performed to restore the amount of free memory. Working set trimming removes pages from the process that have pages in exercise their working set minimum. So this we are talking about the Windows NT here. And the next operating Solaris is the next operating system. It maintains a list of free pages to assign fault processor, also paging perform page out process, page out scans paging using modified clock algorithm. Also page out is called more frequently depending upon the amount of free memory available. So paging is performed by page out process. So this is about the paging and other thrashing using in the solar page scan. So this is about the thrashing. We have in this video we have learned thrashing, how the thrashing using in the operating system concepts, how it will affect the other process things. So the I hope you all watch understand this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.